So I'm gonna be doing my videos a little different, but not too different. I'm gonna try to be in them a little more. So you tell me if you guys want to see me or not. So one of you asked if I would make a tumbler using Elmer's Magical liquid, and I have done so. But I'm not going to show you completely what it does until after you watch the video. Let's get to it. All right, so I had one of my watchers request tumbler with Elmer's Magical liquid and baby oil. So we're going to try this. I don't make slime. I don't even know what's really in here, which is fine. So we're just going to try this like I make one of my normal tumblers. We're going to make this like this is the glycerin and or baby oil type. I do believe this is water soluble, so I'm going to mix this with a water dye because I want it to have some color. I don't want it just to be plain. So just trying to find my colors here. These are the ones I'm going to be using. Let's see. Kind of doing this totally on the fly here. Let's do this sky blue. I don't know, which one of these colors have I never used? I don't think I've used the blue. Well, I'm feeling blue today. Let's use some blue. Okay, so we're just going to dye this. I don't know how this takes dye. Oh, that is really cool. I don't know what's in this stuff. You slime people can tell me. I wouldn't even mind trying to make some slime. But you guys can tell me what this stuff's all about in the comments section if you want. I know slime is pretty popular and it looks like it's a lot of fun. I do watch some of those crunchy slime videos. YouTube loves to put them on my suggested videos, so definitely do tell me what it's all about. I'm hoping this dyes this. I honestly don't know what this stuff is, so I should have probably researched a little, but today I just felt like winging it. Okay, so we're going to add this to the tumbler, and then we're going to add baby oil to the tumbler. So what I've got is just a plain hollowed wall tumbler with a hole drilled into it. I actually use the hot tool to make holes in the tumblers now, so I would definitely suggest using one of the hot tools. All right, so we've got our hollowed wall tumbler with the hole, and I've got two squeeze bottles here. One I'm going to put the dyed magical liquid into. And then the other bottle here, I've got, this is just plain clear baby oil. Johnson's and is the one that I use. Okay, and we're just going to put this into the tumbler. This stuff is pretty gooey looking. Looks pretty interesting, actually. All right, I'll be back when this is all into the tumbler. All right, and now we're going to add our baby oil. That stuff is coagulating a little while I'm trying to put it in the tumbler, so pretty interesting looking stuff here. I'm going to add the baby oil and then I'll be back when this is all full. All right, so I've got all of the liquid into the tumbler, but I'm seeing a problem right off the get-go here is that the fluid does not seem to drip. It is staying in the tumbler. It's not moving, see? It should move a little bit, and all the stuff that's was suspended in the drips as I was filling it, it's not moving. It's like it's jellied. See, you can actually see it moving. It's like jelly. I wonder if I can get it to move a little bit. I don't know, it's like turned to jelly in the cup. I'm shaking it, see if that'll help. Okay, I did get it to kind of move a little. Okay, I'm going to seal this anyways. I wasn't going to, but I did get the stuff to move a little bit. So let's seal this, and then I can shake it really hard and see what I can get out of it. So I'll be back after this is sealed. All right, so here is the finished tumbler, but I don't think this is going to flow. So let's shake this vigorously and see if that helps. But I don't think this will flow like a normal tumbler. But let's shake it and we'll see what we get here. That helped a little bit, but it's more like one big blob and a whole bunch of little blobs. But I can't say it's like flowing. Let's shake it some more. I'm not sure shaking it will improve it, but it might dislodge some of the blobs. So this is kind of what you've got after you shake it. And I do leave an air gap with my lava lamp tumblers. It is a little gap here and I'd like it to be, but it wouldn't have made any difference really. This still isn't going to drip like your normal tumbler. If it does drip, the drips are going to be very, very lethargic. So once it is dislodged, it does kind of flow a little bit, but I can't say this is a very fast flowing tumbler, but it is definitely different. I'm not sure what this is going to do after it sits for a while, but you can definitely get the idea of what it will do. Definitely a fun experiment. Now, is because I added the food coloring to this, would that have changed things? If I dye the baby oil instead of the magic liquid, will that make a difference? Because I don't know. I've never used any of this stuff before. So if you guys want to comment, please do comment. I am kind of curious about this stuff. It is kind of an interesting medium to use. Anyways, do tell me what you think. And please do subscribe. I do put out one video every week at least. And I'm always up to comments for experiments. I love trying new things, seeing if they work, letting you guys see what can be done without you guys experimenting with your own money. So thanks so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this, and please do comment on what you think of this and if I can improve this, what I did wrong, if I did anything wrong, or if you just enjoyed some kind of weird experiment that I've done. Thanks so much for watching.